Doing leg workouts builds full body strength, improves balance, and gives you more energy throughout the day because strong legs mean a stronger you. Don't skip exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building strong legs, starting with barbell bench squat hips. Keep your back straight and drive through your heels. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to dumbbell narrow squat lunge thighs. Control the weight on the way down and avoid locking your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Next up is the weighted sandbag squat thighs. Squeeze your quads at the top for maximum definition. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do barbell bench squat hips. Focus on your hamstrings and keep the movement slow and steady. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the barbell front squat hips. If you're finding these workouts helpful, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily fitness guides. Exercise 6. Next is dumbbell bench squat. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and maintain a flat back. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 7. Moving to the lever leg extension. Keep your back straight and drive through your heels. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 8. Now for weighted sissy squat. Push through your toes and hold the contraction for a second at the top. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 9. Finally, we have the jump squat thighs. Finally, we have step-ups to finish strong. Keep your balance and thanks for watching. See you in the next workout.